Hello student, I am Dr. R. Krishnaveni, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce Bank Management, St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Cuddalore. Here we are going to discuss about meaning, features and limitations of single entry. The learning objectives are to know about the features of single entry and to learn about the limitations of single entry. Introduction. Single entry cannot be termed as a system. The term single entry is used to refer to any method of maintaining accounts which does not conform to strict principles of double entry. Single entry is a combination of double entry for some transactions like cash collected from debtors and single for some transaction like cash sales and no entry for transaction, that is for depreciation. Who follow this method? Business people without systematic accounting knowledge, that is small traders, medical practitioners and other professionals. The definition of single entry is a system of bookkeeping in which, as a rule, only records of cash and personal accounts are maintained. It is always incomplete double entry, varying with the circumstances. Meaning and definitions of single entry. In pure single entry, only personal accounts are recorded. In simple single entry, personal accounts and cash account are maintained. In quasi single entry, personal accounts, cash account and some subsidiary books are maintained. Now in simple term, single entry is used to refer to any method of maintaining accounts which does not conform to strict principles of double entry, that is does not follow the strict principles of double entry. The definition of single entry. Kochler in his dictionary for accountants defines single entry system as a system of bookkeeping in which, as a rule, only records of cash and personal accounts are maintained. It is always incomplete double entry, varying with the circumstances. And next, the salient features or characteristics of single entry. First point, absence of uniformity. Single entry is not a specific system governed by definite rules of operation. It is highly flexible according to the capabilities of individuals maintaining the records. Second one, records maintained. Usually, personal accounts are fully returned and cash book is also maintained. Nominal accounts and most of the real accounts are completely omitted. Next one, mixing of transactions. Business dealings as well as personal transactions are mixed while writing the cash book. Suitability. Single entry is suitable only to sole traders, partnership firms and professionals who cannot afford a paid bookkeeper usually follow this method to write their own accounts. And dependence on original vouchers. No entries are made for a large number of transactions. For example, credit purchases and sales have to be ascertained from the copies of invoices. So, finalization of accounts. Regular final accounts cannot be prepared. Profit or loss can be ascertained in a crude way which is not reliable.